Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I'm super excited to show you this spectacular little book. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am extremely excited because I created a cute little folio using Halloween paper, this time by Simple Stories. I picked up their Essentials kit, Spooky Nights, and we've got like this ephemera package of all bits and pieces, and then washi tape, cardstock sticker sheet, and even some chipboard stickers. And of course, these are double-sided images, and we've got 4x4s, 3x4s, 2x2s, everything you possibly need to make an extremely cute book. And I even have bits and pieces left over. So right here on the front cover, I just wanted the inside to kind of speak for itself. And then here's the spine. And I just love how fast this book came together. It was super duper fun. Love Simple Stories papers. And I'll leave all my supplies down in the description that are all my favorite that I use to create my books, as well as the link to the class. So right here we've got some stacked pockets, and I tucked in some different photo mats in here. And I thought it was super cute to kind of paper clip. Look at this cute little kitty. Oh my goodness, if you've never made a book like this, this is one you can do. Adorable trick or treat. I kind of just put that on there over that plaid. And then I just kind of stuck little bits and pieces everywhere I wanted. Look at these little fun things that just come out, and places to journal. Wow, this is really probably one of the funnest papers I've used, but I did have a little bit of a challenge because I only had one paper pack and I was sacrificing the back of certain cut-aparts pages, but it was a healthy challenge for me. Love the patterns. And so I thought it would be fun to kind of do a tag-shaped pocket, and I show you how to make that. I thought it would be super cute to put acetate in there as well, and you can of course put anything in here in these pockets that you want. And this piece is actually a magnetic flap, and this opens up right here. We've got a cute little 4x6 area for pictures there. I fussy cut these ghosts actually out of one of the 4x4 cutouts, and then this came with the tidbits and pieces here. This is a magnetic flap, and this cool little fun shape here. I added some solid pages from my stash to kind of bring out the blues here. And of course we have photo access in here. You can stick a picture on there and slide it in, or you can even just stick your photo in there all the way. I've got some other little fun things that you could journal on, talk about what outfits you wore for that Halloween, write the year down, what the grandkids were. Oh my gosh, everything. And I just decided to shove this in the same pocket just for fun. This flap opens as well. 4x6 pictures and a couple more spots. This little guy is so cute. I mean, his little face, and I decided to cut one of the cut-aparts out on that page and kind of just piece together my own little pieces. This one is actually a sticker, and so is this. And we have a side pocket. Again, with more little fun. Look at this. Trick or treat. You can journal. These are 4x6 uncropped photo mats right here. You could just throw your picture right on. And there's more in here. And of course I left these open, as you can see right under there. You could stick your picture. Super cute cat. And this was a tab out of the bits and pieces. Hey pumpkin. Oh my goodness. Way too fun. I went overboard, so I kind of did like a smash style. Tons of stuff coming out of here. You can even mat these on the back and put pictures. And right here I have an on-page pocket. It's like a little hidden feature here. Cute little pumpkin lanterns. Oh my goodness, this tab came from a sticker sheet, and you can fit another 4x6 here and right here. Super amazing and simple. This is a book you can truly make, and you can shove really, again, any paper pack you want. The original class uses Valentine's Day paper, but you can use any paper it is that you have at home. And I'll leave that video actually playing next if you wanted to see it. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. All the different things that we can do with these books. This opens up again, and this is one of my favorite features, where I got to play around with the 2x2s out of the collection and then just tuck them in these cute little small skinny flaps. But first, I actually fussy cut a 4x4 out and got the word spooky out of there, and you can, again, tuck your pictures behind there and have fun little snapshots of the family. I just love it. Look at all the goodies you get. Oh my gosh. This is just too fun. I'll try to link the paper down below so you can also get one for yourself. Look at this. Pictures on the back, little wallet-sized pictures. Tons of fun. Wow, these two open up and you got a cute little pocket in the back. And again, some more little pieces. I think the bat is probably my most favorite, adorable little character. Again, picture space on the back if you wanted to customize that. Cute little pumpkin, and this is a booklet actually. Got another little tag right here. Candy corn for everybody. And I thought it would be cute to put him as, you know, on the front of the door as if it's kind of opening up. So cute little boo. It's the most spectacular time of the year. And look at this. Love this page. The biggest portion that I could really, I still have papers left over. And I just love it. After making this book, I could probably make another little tiny book with other papers. I got little waterfall wallet style right here with some stickers. And this is so much fun. Oh my goodness. And if you enjoyed this book style, I really think you'll enjoy this next one because it uses Valentine's Day paper. And even if it's not Valentine's Day, you can kind of pull some different inspiration from that styled book. So thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and I'll see you in class. Bye.